Sarah from Roots, and I'm here and excited to teach you bow drill. So bow drill was a really important skill for me to practice and become proficient at, and I am here to share it with you. So what I want to do is just lay out the kit and the pieces as they are, kind of give you a framework of what you're going to be working with, and then we're going to build it out from there. This right here is your basic kit, most likely what yours will look like. And so whether it looks like this, or you progress into moving off of harvesting something from the land like this kit is here, or you put a lot of time in craft and you make something fancy, all of these kits have the same components and they all play the same role, all very important. So just as vocab goes, right here we have our fireboard with our socket and our notch. Here we have our spindle. Here we have our handhold. And here we have our bow and our string. So all of these things are going to come together such that you put your spindle into the string as it wraps around, and that's going to sit into the socket in the fireboard. And the handhold, also known as the bearing block, is going to come in and apply downward pressure. And then you're going to cause this to rotate. And the rotations are going to create a lot of friction, and the friction is going to do a couple of things. It's going to rip these like micro splinters off of the spindle and the fireboard, something we call dust, and it's going to fill this notch, and it's also going to create a lot of heat. And as that heat builds, it hits a critical temperature, and all of a sudden that dust combusts and becomes this small coal. And this is the coal that you put into your tinder bundle, you blow into flame, you set into your fire. This is a process that is magical without being magic, as well as really practical and a beautiful thing to learn.